welcome to Rabbit and Rose. As always, I'm super excited to see you, but today I am especially happy because we're gonna open the SANRIO LootCrate subscription box. If you don't know, this box is the SANRIO, the company that makes Hello Kitty box in partnership with LootCrate. It comes out every 3 months. It's like it was $30 something, but I know I raised the price. I'm gonna put the information on the description below in case you want to get your own. I am obsessed with this box. I love it. In fact, I'm wearing the t-shirt that we got last quarter on the box. It was the Dreams box and it was adorable. If you haven't seen the video, go check it out. It was beautiful. I got this a few days ago, like 4 or 5 days ago, and I have been dying to open it, but I didn't have time to film, and I really wanted to film it because I want to show you what's inside. I mean, that's the whole point. So I don't want to wait any longer. Let's just open it. This, like I said, is the one for spring. I have been, as always, avoiding spoilers because I like to be surprised. So let's be surprised together. Are you ready? Before we do though, I know I've been MIA from YouTube, but I am preparing a video. It's actually sitting right over there, the thing that I'm making. And if you love SANRIO, you're gonna love it, especially if you have seen the new SANRIO Netflix show. Do you know what I'm talking about? Yes. I'm gonna give you a little preview at the end. So make sure you come back so you can see that DIY. Oh, and also I forgot to mention, the theme of this box is naturally cute. So let's see. I can't open it. What's wrong? Oh, here it goes. Let's see if it's naturally adorable. I like to let you see it first. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh yeah, I was gonna say what's wrong with the colors, but this is it. It's like a sepia, like a brownish color. Oh my god, it's so cute. Big smile. It comes with this beautiful paper and a bow sticker right there, and a little trinket that hangs from the sticker, and it looks like this one is a little stamp. Oh my god, if you can see it, let's see if it shows you. Do you see that? Why is it not showing you? Show it, show it. There it goes. Do you see it? It's a little Hello Kitty stamp. It's so cute. The sticker is undone for some reason. Let's open it. Are you ready? How does it look? Let's pull something. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a sweater! It's a sweater! Look how pretty. Naturally cute. It's perfect for spring, although sweater in Florida, I live in Florida, not very helpful. But look at the little graphic. And look, in the back, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm gonna drop it. Oh my gosh, I looked. It's got a mushroom here in the back. Do you love it? I think it's super cute. And it feels really thick, like it's really good material. And it's fuzzy in the inside. Aww. I like it. What do you think? I love the graphic. The graphic is beautiful. Let's see what's next. I already peeked. I could not resist. Look. A little Choco Cat hat. I think it's too big for me, but it's so cute. And this Choco Cat with a little crown of flowers. He's adorable. Let me make it like this. And this is so perfect. I kind of needed one of these things. How do you make it smaller? Let's see. Oh, do you like it? I think it's cute. Oh, it fits okay. I like it. I don't wear hats ever. but I do need one of these. I like it. It's super cute. Let's see what else. Ooh, 2 wearables. That's cool. I like wearables. Oh my gosh, I can't sit straight today. Super cute. What do you think? I'm happy so far. This is awesome. You guys, this is a mug. But look, wait. Look, a coffee mug. Let's take this off. Look at the graphic. The graphic is so pretty. And it has, it's like a silicone lid. Yeah, it's silicone, right? It's like super squishy. And it has this silicone thingy, so if it's hot, you can hold it, no problem. I love it. I'm gonna definitely use this. I'm obsessed with the graphic. The graphic is so pretty. I love it that they're all wearing little crowns of flowers. It's so cute. Aw, let's put it here. Let's put the hat here as well. Let's see what else is in here. 3 things. I'm super happy so far. What's this? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna love these. I know what it is. Look! It's a canvas bag, like a tote. Oh, and the same graphic. And in the back, it's got them individually. It is so cute! And I love this material. I love it. I love it. I'm definitely going to use this. It's beautiful. So 4 things, 5 stars so far for each thing. I'm super happy with everything. There's one more thing. What is this? Oh, this is super cute. These are pins. Let me take them out of the bag so you can see them. Wait a second. Look. It says that they are embroider pins. My Melody, Hello Kitty, and Choco Cat. They're so pretty. And they are, yeah, they're little pins. They have a little like safety pin in the back. Like that. I'm not sure if it's showing or not. But they're beautiful. And they're like fabric. Of course they're embroidered. They're so cute. When you remove it, you can still see the little thing in the back. I'm definitely keeping this. This is lovely. I love it. Something else? That was it. That was all there is. Then our poster looks like, yeah, a tiny little poster with the graphic. It is so cute. And then the other side, it gives you the description of all the items that we got. It's too bright. But I love it. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, the stamp. Oh my god, some people got, you know how I got the Choco Cat? Some people, the baseball hat, some people got a Hello Kitty one. Look, some people got the Oh My Melody or Choco Cat. And then the sweater and the little trinket, which was a stamp, the pins, the mug, the coffee mug, cup, whatever, and the little tote. What did you guys think? I love that. Everything was beautiful, and I'm obsessed with the graphic. It is so cute. I kind of want to like frame it and hang it somewhere. It is so adorable. Last thing that we need to do is take a look at our box, because when you turn it, when you flip it around, it looks more adorable. So let's do that quickly. I always like to turn it and show you how it looks. Let's see. Okay, so you flip the box around so you can use it for something, and it is so cute. Let's again turn a little bit because it's so bright. Okay, so this is one side of the box. Big smile. Oh, Kiki and Lala. They're so pretty. And then over here is Chococat sitting on a little tree stump. And on the other side is my Melody with her best friend. Who knows his name? This little mice. He's so adorable, and he's like my Melody's best friend. They're always together. But I don't know his name. But she's so pretty. What do you think? So this is how the box looks like after you turn it around. You got to see the back of my little studio. So that was it for today. Before I say goodbye, what does it say on the bottom? Oh, on the bottom of the box it said naturally cute. So before I say goodbye, I wanted to give you a little sneak peek of the thing that I'm making. Just so you can come back. Just to leave you intrigued, and you can come back next video. So let's go. I'll show you what it is. Whoop, 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 whoop. Let me turn this around so I can see what I'm showing you. Ow, my finger. So, ta-da-da! Do you know who that is? Yep. I'm making a DIY at Agritsuko DIY. So if you're watching her show, if you love it, make sure you come back for the next video. If you haven't already, you should probably subscribe just so you don't miss it. And hopefully I'll see you then. So thank you so much for watching. Here's a kiss from me to you. See you next time. Bye.